Hey guys, today we're going to be drawing Steve from Minecraft. I'm using an iPad Pro with the Procreate app. Now you don't need this to follow along. You can use a white sheet of paper, a black marker for outline, and markers and crayons for coloring in. Now I've already gone and created two layers, the outline layer and the color layer. The outline layer is where we're going to be using our black marker for outline, and the color layer is where we're going to be coloring. If you're using a white sheet of paper, you can go and grab a black marker. So I have my black marker ready to go. I'm in my outline layer, and we can start with the head. Now Steve is literally just a bunch of blocks. So if you're on an iPad and you want to make your line really straight, don't let go of your pencil. Like that. So I'll do that again. If I let go of my pencil, it's going to be a squiggly line. But if I hold my pencil and not move it or let go, it'll become a straight. So that's what we're going to do the outline of Steve. Okay, so that is his head. And then we're going to do his left arm. So his left arm is kind of going back as he's walking. So we're going to do his other arm here. And this one is facing forward. And then we're going to do his body. Now, if I'm going too fast, you can always hit pause and come back when you're ready. All right, we're going to end that right there, and then we are going to start his legs. His legs kind of do the same thing. His left leg is walking forward. And now his right leg is going back. Okay, so this is your basic outline of Steve. And now we're gonna be drawing the t-shirt, the pants, and the face. So let's start with, I guess, his shoes. Again, they're all blocks, so pretty simple. And then his t-shirt ends right there. And on the other side, and then his pants start here, and it does a little jug like that. And then same on this side. And then here is his neckline. And then his hair. And then on this side, his hair looks like this. And then lastly, his eyes, mouth, and nose. Well, actually, it's a beard. All right, guys, this is your basic outline of Steve. So now we're ready to color Steve in. So let's go to our color layer. So we could start off by coloring his t-shirt. I already have Steve's color palette picked out. I'm gonna select this teal color and begin coloring in. And because Steve is 3D, we're gonna have to swap some colors to make it look like it's 3D. So for example, this side of his shirt is a slightly lighter teal. So we can do that. And And over here as well, it's also lighter. And then over here, it's going to be darker. And then over here is dark as well. And you can tell just by picturing where the light source is. So the light source is probably right in front of him here. So on top, this is also going to be a lighter teal. All right, so we're done with his t-shirt, and then we could start on his pants. So his pants is a dark blue. And then on this side, it's going to be a slightly lighter blue. And then we're going to use the same blue for this section right here. And then a darker blue for this section underneath. And then we can also apply it on this side. And his boots are kind of a darker version of this teal. So to grab that color, just hit on this square box here and tap. And I'm just going to select a darker color. Same thing for this angle. And I'm going to select a lighter color for the top of the shoe. Okay, and now for his skin color. Do a darker shade here. And then a lighter shade on this side. We're going to do the lighter shade on this side. And a slightly darker shade on this side. Now, if you're using pencil crayons and you don't have all these shades, it's okay, you could paint them all one color. It's perfectly fine. Okay, so for his neck, I am going to just do a darker shade here. And then for underneath his chin, that's gonna be really dark because there's no light there. And then for his face, let's select this color. And then for the side of his face, we're gonna select the lighter color. And his nose is just slightly darker. So let's try that. I forgot this part right over here. That's just a face color. And then his eyes and his hair are a dark brown. And we can do his beard the same color. And finally, his hair. Guys, how cool is that? There is your Steve from Minecraft.